Okay, very important concept for grade 9. How to represent root 2 on number line. What is the logic behind it? If it is a right angle triangle, this is 1 unit and this is also 1 unit, then by Pythagoras theorem, isn't कि PR square is going to be equals to 1 square plus 1 square, and then further PR is going to be equal to square root of 2. Means hypotenuse is coming for root 2 units. Correct? So we are going to use this concept, Pythagoras concept, for the spiral diagram, or you can say for the representation of irrationals on number line. For this, what we need to do, draw one number line, mark this as the origin, this is the 0, then take any distance of your choice and call it 1 unit. So it is not like on your scale 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter. It is just imaginary. You can consider it as per your choice. So 1 unit distance, but make sure then throughout the construction it must be remain same. 1 unit means this much amount of distance for you. Then call it point A and draw one perpendicular from point A, means make 90 degrees. Then here, so this is a perpendicular. Consider A as the center, okay, and exactly take a radius of 1 unit and mark 1 unit distance on this perpendicular. Call it some point B. This is also 1 unit. So this is the perpendicular and this is the base. Now join this point with origin. So as I shown you here, this hypotenuse, if this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, so hypotenuse is going here root 2 unit. Consider O as the center. Consider O as the center. Take a radius of equals to OB. Keep your pencil at point B. Again repeating, keep the compass needle here at O. Then exactly take a distance equal to OB and keep your pencil at B and draw one arc here like this, which is intersecting or cutting this number line. So where this arc is cutting this number line, this is root 2 point on number line.